channel. So today what I do is this clean girl makeup look, which I've been loving and doing for some time right now. I have to share it with you guys. Yeah, now let's get started and I hope you guys enjoy. So I've done the skincare. You can see skin is super like hydrated, moisturized, and guess what? We have a new guest here. This right here. And also holding a little bit. But yeah, first I'm going to use is this primer. This one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and it's a cute one. Is their mini one. So मैं primer बहुत कम use करती हूँ, कभी-कभी use करती हूँ, like when I'm going out, when I'm going for a little function or special day में तभी use करती हूँ. But I love using primers. They just make your makeup look so smooth and so good. And मैं हमेशा यहाँ पे लगाती हूँ on my cheekbone area, right around my nose and around my lips. And I'll take a little bit more and I just put it on the forehead. And then I'm going to use this foundation. I've been using this since forever. It's a really good one. It's very affordable. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So this is matte plus poreless foundation. So this is like normal to oily, and this has SPF 22. So it is 1 to 8. I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hands and just take like 3 pumps. That's for me is like more than enough. I'm just say around my cheek. I just tap and I'm just gonna apply it all over face like this. And guys, we have reached 1k subscribers. I am so happy. Like finally we have reached 1k. I can't tell you. Thank you so much guys for being here, who have been here since the starting. I love you guys. Like I can't tell you how happy I am. We have used to blend this foundation a brush. This brush is by Huda Beauty and this is their face puff and blend brush. So usually I do this with this brush, or sometimes also do with my hands. It just मेरा जब जैसा mood करता है, we just do like that. Yeah. So where was I? Thank you so much for 1k, more than 1k subscribers guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway very soon, so stay tuned for that. This foundation, you can just see it just glides on so smoothly, and it's not full coverage, but I like it that way. मुझे पूरा coverage अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है. It just gets very heavy. I don't like heavy base. And also apply it on your neck. Forgot to apply my stroke cream. Apply the stroke cream before foundation. I just forgot that, so it's fine. We're gonna apply it right now. I love using stroke creams. They just make your makeup look super dewy, glowy, and I love that kind of makeup. So this stroke cream is by Ilana. It's their Golden Hour Stroke Cream in Rose. I forgot to apply a stroke cream before my foundation. I have to take a little bit more foundation, like 2 drops. That's it. Always do like this. आपका base इतना glowy हो जाएगा. Like if you do like this, like mix your stroke creams with your foundation. Oh my god, your face, your base will be so dewy and glowy. You can see I purchased these 2 new concealers, but it's been like few days and I'm in love with this concealer. Like this one, these concealers are from LA Girl and they're such a good concealers. They just hide away all your dark circles. Darker shade hai aur ek lighter shade hai. This dark one just suits my skin and just hides away all the dark circles. So whenever you want to like hide away all your dark circles, always pick up a concealer which suits your skin, like which just matches your skin. And when you have to brighten up your under eye area, use the lighter shade of of the same product or any other concealer. Use the lighter shade that will brighten up the under eye area and will look so fab. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's the HD High Definition Concealer, and this one is in the shade Pure Beige. little bit here, a little bit on the chin, around the nose. I've been blending my concealer since forever with my hands and it just works so nicely. So that's what we're gonna do. So now I'm gonna apply this concealer, which is a lighter shade. So this one is again the Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer LA Girl, and this one is in the shade Natural. So I'm gonna apply it very little, just 2 dots like here and 1 here and around the nose, around the lip area, and 3 dots right here. And we are done with the concealer. So next step is I'm gonna bake my under eyes area. So it's the best thing to do, like if you're going out, it's a long day, it's gonna be a long day, you know. And also usually I just love baking because it just because you know when you do baking, your makeup just stays there, it just sits very nicely. So the powder I'm gonna use is this one, so you can't see it because it's really old. I purchased it from Milan. So this one is by Revolution and it's their banana powder. You can get it on Nykaa and it's such a good one. It's fab. I always apply the powder with my sponge. I like to apply my powder a little bit around the nose as well, like because my T-zone area gets a little oily, so I'll apply on the chin as well. And a little bit on the forehead as well, like very little. Let the powder sit till we do our brows and our eyes. And then for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this pencil. So this one is by Sugar. It's the Art Rival Brow Pencil in the shade 01 Cherry Brown. So the Sugar pencil like quite affordable and they're quite nice. So I'm gonna brush my brows first. I'm gonna fill in my brows. So what I usually do is make यहाँ पे line draw करती हूँ and then on the upper part and then just fill the brows. Done with the eyebrows. So what I do is eyeshadow. So when you use these 2 palettes, so I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty and it's their neon palette, and this by Benefit. This is their Hola Benefit. Firstly, I'm gonna use this, and I've been using this since forever, guys. Abhi tak khatam nahi hua hai. I don't know how. This is it. This is like a bronzer, but I use it as eyeshadow as well. Use this brush by Sigma. This is a diffused crease. The number is E38. Take a little bit and just do like this. And apply it all over our eyes. A little bit on the outer corners of the eyes. Next, I'm going to use this palette. So this is by Huda Beauty and it's their neon palette. I bought it from Milan and it's the best thing ever because look at the shades. Love these shades. So I'm gonna use this shade, not a lot, just a little bit, and dust it off and apply it all over our eyes. That's it for the eyeshadow. The next step is putting on mascara. So first I'm gonna use this eyelash curler and then the mascara. So this is by Benefit and their Royal Lash Mascara. The mini one, and I just love this mascara. Again, I've been using it for such a long time. Expensive, but it's so worth it. I like to apply a lot of mascara on the outer side. Of the powder, मेरी eyes बहुत अच्छे से bake हो गई हैं. Pay to have a long lasting makeup. So now I'm going to use the blush. I'm going to use this blush and it's my favorite. It's this by Rare Beauty and this one is the shade happy, and we are very happy. This blush is so good. It's highly pigmented, like it's very pigmented. I've been using it for months now. I bought it from Dubai and it's such a nice blush. It's one of the best liquid blushes out there. One drop each side is enough. I'm just going to show you that it's very pigmented. Right here on the upper area, and one drop right here, and little bit and little bit on the nose. In just one drop, it's a lot, guys. See, one drop was so enough. Just looks super nice. It's very pigmented. So I'm gonna use this one. I just use this one in like all of my makeup videos. I just love this highlighter. It's by Fenty Beauty, and this one the shade Starstruck. Also, it's pricey, but it's so worth it, guys. Gives you that damn amazing glow. So this is all where I like to apply my highlighter. So I've started doing my lips in a new way, and I love it. What I'm using is this tint. So this is the penny tint. It's by Benefit. It's a fab tint to apply on cheeks and on your lips. Using it to apply on my lips, and it looks so good. Like, it just gives you the color of your lips and looks super natural. It just stays for so long. Like lipsticks, if you eat, it just wears off, but this tint, it just stays. And last time I apply is the lip gloss. So I'm gonna use this Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, new product that I've been trying for a few days and I've been loving it. It's their hyaluronic lip plumber. See, my lips look a little plumber, you know, a little nicer, very glossy, very hydrated. We're all done with the makeup. This is how the makeup is looking. Just love this look. I hope you guys like the look, and if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a like, share with all your makeup lovers, friends, your family members, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want more such like makeup related videos. So don't forget to subscribe to watch more such videos and also different content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.